Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, Tech World. Today we will learn how to configure email to Microsoft Outlook. It's very easy to configure our email ID, whether it is from Gmail or any of other domains. We request you to kindly subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get latest new information and tutorials for technical world. Okay, let us begin with Microsoft Outlook 2007. Open the Outlook. And in menu bar click on Tools menu. After that click on Account Setting button. A new window will open. Click on Email tab and then click New option. Fill in your name and email address. And fill in address. Check the manually configure server setting or additional server type. Click on the next button. Select the option Internet Email. Click the next button. Fill in the all details like incoming mail server pop.gmail.com and in outgoing mail server smtp.gmail.com. Put your mail ID in, username, and password in password box. Check require logo using secure password authentication SPA and go ahead with more setting. Now, there are some settings which are different for each email servers. Now, let us check where we can find all these settings. I am configuring Gmail, so open my Gmail mail ID. In Setting button click See All Settings. Click on Forwarding and POP/IMAP. First of all, enable POP for all mails, and then enable IMAP. Now click on Save Changes. You will find all server setting for Outlook configuration in Forwarding and POP/IMAP in Settings. Click on Configuration Instructions. Here you will find all server settings and port for outgoing server and incoming server. We have to go with all these settings for configuring email. Don't forget to check option Leave a copy to server for safe side. Now click OK. Now check the configuration. Click on Test Account Setting. It may ask password again and again. This is because your Gmail server stops access to Outlook. For solution of this problem, again go to Gmail. Click on Manage your Google account in the left sidebar. Select Security. Go to Less Secure Apps by scrolling the page. Turn on Access. Allow less secure apps. Now email ID has been configured. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any question, please write in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates.